Welcome back, guys, to Flight channel. Today we'll talk about a BNB targets updates of main bull run plan, what I shared with you before. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, we use two FIBs. Like you remember, this is absolutely the same FIB what I shared in the main bull run plan for BNB. Yes, BNB is kind of too heavy, to push it so high. My take was around here. I posted the video, so it was like 817, 878, and 1117. It's a realistic target for BNB, and I think around here we're gonna finish the ride. But people will start talking about 2,000, 5,000, and all of this random numbers. You remember another FIB, what we drew it also, so it's around like 991. This also was like a target. So we got two FIBs. First one, it was like upside move from the COVID dump, I guess. Yes, from COVID. You remember this is March 2020. Impulse, correction. We hold a long-term period here around. We're not close at the gap. That's why it's more than real, to see in the next bear market. In the next 3 years of the bear market, during the bear market, we can see even the drop to crazy scenario. If something happened with the Binance, 153, 100. Around a lot of people waited here. This is a monthly time frame. A lot of people waited, and we didn't drop to that block. Of course, it's not unnecessary, so we all the time should collapse to close all gaps, but 127 at that time it's looks logical like a accumulation zone for BNB, but we didn't drop. Another FIB, it was here, top support, so weekly time frame, top support, bounce, consolidation around zero level, and that time I'm also waited this block like 27 block, so it was like double a FIB, which showing us the right direction, but it's not all the time should play out like we're waiting for. So our expectation is only our problems. That's why maybe in the next bear market, maybe we'll drop even to 124. Maybe not. Nobody knows, guys. But the main target for this run, it's around 991. So this block. So this is my take, for BNB, like end of cycle for this socket. So this 817 till 1117. So this is my take. BNB already performed a pretty good one. Yes, from the low. This BNB is too heavy, to perform like crazy, but maybe even the 2,000 is possible. We can't know, right? So my conservative price target is here around 500% gain. So it's not a big gains. Yes, I totally understand. But for me personally, BNB looks kind of overhyped and kind of overrated. But everything totally subjectively, right? So there is no right or wrong answers. Right now, a lot of tokens pumped based on BNB, a lot of new tokens launched on BNB, a lot of meme coins launched on BNB. So that's why the BNB pumped, and the reputation of Binance is still good. A lot of people trust the Binance, so no problem with the Binance. But a lot of people talk about, Binance is going to be scammed, blah blah blah, all this stuff. So the Bybit is good, the Bitget is good, Binance is going to be scammed. Why? Just because they hate it. They hate people talk about everything what they don't like it, or maybe they paid to show the bad comments about all of this. All of the things about the SEC and the Binance, right? So now the people, like in 2020, in 2021, start launching the tokens on Binance Smart Chain. So the Binance Smart Chain is still alive, so everything okay. I don't think so. Some problem we will see with the Binance, with the regulation, with all of this stuff. They even tried to be the #1 in the United States over the Coinbase. So we will see how it ends, right? But I don't think so. First of all, I don't think so in the crazy pump to 2,000%, 2,000 per BNB. Even if BTC dominance will be under 55%, but who knows? let's double check with my custom indicator set what's going on now with BNB. So my targets I showed you. Take a look how it playing out on a history before, right? And what we can see now. So this is a time to fix profit or be ready to fix a profit. Here is a time to fix profit, kind of drops. Here's a time to fix profit, drops. Here's accumulation on a weekly time frame. Weekly I use for investment. Here was a preparation to sell at 600. We dump it to 400. It's not a big volatile now. Now the same story. Be ready step by step to fix some profit. Total apria on the market. This was a capitulation when I posted the video, but still was risky. Even in the monthly time frame, guys, take a look. It was apria, hope, positive, optimism. Now it's a total apria again. So I can't say something like, oh, it's time to go all in BNB. Of course not. Of course not, guys. So this is apria around BNB. We hit the new all-time high. Everything good. Everything good for BNB, but it's not a time to end. A lot of tokens, guys, now under radar. And here, sell, drop. Here's a buybacks, sell, buybacks. Now we at the top, but let's add alert to sell, trade on, sell. We will see soon, I guess, on weekly. We will see daily. Of course, some fixation was here. Now the buyback, no signal to sell. Let's add alert even on the daily. Signal to sell. All right, monthly. Here how it looks like: sell, drop, buyback, sell, and now I guess we will see another signal to sell really soon, guys. So be careful. And the last indicator, guys, is take profit. On a monthly. Imagine on a monthly we trade way over exit line, so it's not a time to into this token. Time to in will be if we will test the buy line. So at this current moment, buy line is $179. For the amount value of this token on a monthly, $134. Weekly time frame. So the first rejection, I guess we will see at exit line 833. This one. Buy line on BNB now 370, for the amount value 279. So my take for the highest point I showed you. First take, and by the way, here is exit line is going to be exactly that 27 block. So remember this block like fixation for BNB. Maybe in August, maybe in September. It's hard to say about the timing. So logical to see in June something like this consolidation, after that drop, correction, and autumn, this target. After that, some black swan and something like this one. So maybe even the next time 268 will be the bottom, or this one block to close the main gap. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what do you think about a BNB. Do you hold this token or not? If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.